In front of me is OPPO A80 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off high performance mode. Begin by launching settings and scrolling down to access battery section. Then scroll all the way down to tap on more settings and use this switcher next to high performance mode to activate it. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, after that, high performance is on. To switch it off, tap on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!